Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 2019 Harris Floatboat 220 Solstice. This bad boy comes equipped with a 225 horsepower Mercury outboard. Next thing I want to point out is the ski tow bar. So you can pull skiers, tubers, wakeboarders, whatever you can think of back here. Also, there is a not a step swim step back here. Drops in the water, gives you room to put your feet so you can see your feet in the water and everything like that. And there's also a ladder right there. It's extra wide. This boat was outfitted with a single rear lounger, so it gives you this massive area right here to catch some rays if you want, or you can always reverse the seat to where it faces forward. And you can hang out inside the boat, especially underway. You can watch where you're going. Next up is the captain's chair. Super comfortable captain's chair, and it has all your buttons, displays, and stereo within reach. It's a very fun boat. It does have a tilt steering wheel, and that captain's chair moves forward and backwards. We'll go ahead and head towards the front. We have these loungers right here. Gives you plenty of room to hang out with you and your friends. We could always put a table base in here or in the back, wherever you prefer, or we can put it in both spots if you wanted to. So you have a nice place to hang out, put your drinks. It's actually got wine stem holders where you can put your wine glass through it and set it down in there nice and comfortably. So from there, under all these seats, there's tons of storage, and in the ski locker, there's also storage as well. I want to point out one more thing is the JL Audio Subwoofer. This is an upgraded sound system, so it's JL speakers throughout, has a JL amp and head unit. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.